Hello, welcome to Medical Terminology. My name is Ashley Gibson and I will be your instructor this semester. We will begin by discussing medical word building, prefixes, and suffixes. It would be impossible to learn and memorize thousands of medical terms and remember them for very long. We learn to build medical words like a puzzle, using different word parts, 3 rules of word building, grammar, and spelling rules. A noun is a person, place, or thing. In medical terms, nouns are usually body parts, fluids, and procedures. A verb is an action word. This is used to describe a physical action, a mental action, or state of being or occurrence. An adjective describes a noun. Indicates ability. For example, ibble and able. Digestible means able to be digested. Pertaining to something, ick and ow, so gastric and spinal. Gastric means pertaining to the stomach. Spinal means pertaining to the spine. Alright, basic word construction. The first step is to learn about the main word elements or word parts. Then we can learn how to put the parts together. The 4 elements or parts used to build medical words are prefixes, suffixes, word roots, and combining forms. Medical terminology is not difficult to understand when you understand how the elements are combined to form a word. Prefixes are the part located at the front of a word. For example, prenatal. Pre means before, natal means pertaining to birth. Prenatal means pertaining to before birth. In this example, pre is the prefix. Using a different prefix changes the meaning of a word. Prefix is denoted using a hyphen at the end of a word. A prefix often indicates number, time, position, amount, or negation. Alright, let's name the prefix. Intramuscular. What's the prefix in intramuscular? That's right, it's intra. How about transabdominal? Good. Trans. How about diarrhea? That's right, dia is the prefix. For prenatal, we already discussed this one. It's pre. Post-surgical is post. The suffix is the word part located at the back of a word. For example, cardiomegaly. Megaly means enlargement. Cardio means heart. The word cardiomegaly means enlargement of the heart. In this word, the suffix is megaly. Using a different suffix changes the meaning of a word. In medical terminology, a suffix usually indicates a procedure, condition, disease, or part of speech. Suffix is denoted using a hyphen at the front of the word. Let's name the suffix. In the word chemotherapy, what is the suffix? Therapy. How about in dermatology? That's right, logi. How about periodontal? Ol is the suffix. How about leukocyte? That's right, site. How about cardiac? Ac. Good job. The word root is the main part or foundation of a word. Thorac means chest. Gaster means stomach. Cyst means bladder. All medical words have at least one word root. This usually indicates a body part or organ. Let's name the word root. Appendectomy. Append. Abdominal. Abdomen is the word root. Dentist. Dent is the word root. Pancreatitis. Pancreat is the word root. Cardiac. Cardiac. Cardi is the word root. Good. A combining vowel is a vowel that is added to a word root. It's usually the letter O, but not always. This makes the word easier to pronounce. Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Consonants are all of the other letters. Let's name the combining vowel. In the word gastrotomy, the combining vowel is O. And cholelithiasis, the combining vowel is E. For laparoscopy, O. That's right. Pelvimeter, I. Good. Electrocardiogram. Notice in this one, there are two combining vowels. In this example, they are both the letter O. Combining form. Combining form just means when you combine a word root and a combining vowel together, that creates a combining form. For instance, gaster plus O equals gastro. Gastro is the combining form. The vowel used in a combining form is called a combining vowel. Let's name the combining form for gastrotomy. Gastro, good. Cholelithiasis, chole. Laparoscopy, laparo. Pelvimeter, pelvi. Electrocardiogram, electrocardio. Good job.